Hey guys, what's happening? Joshua Elder here. It is a pop-in Friday night. As you can see, we got the Philips Hue lights over here. Actually, you didn't see it over here. And over here, where is that? Oh, you can't really see it because the light's so bright. But anyways, had to shoot a video for you guys. As you can see, I'm just over here partying like crazy. This is what we do on a Friday night, right? We watch a little bit of sports on the laptop over here. We got the TV running too as well. But I wanted to create a quick video for you. I had somebody comment, actually, this was on an application. He said that he wanted to get the cheapest clicks, the cheapest leads, and make the most money, right? This is one of the false statements that you often hear in the online marketing community, and specifically the affiliate marketing community. I essentially help affiliate marketers that are struggling, that are brand new, to build and grow their business. And this specific person filled out an application to speak to me on the phone, and he had mentioned that one of his goals was he wanted to make the most money and spend very, very little on leads. And I don't blame him for doing that. I'm not like calling him out necessarily, but this is one of the things that we hear online that are just completely incorrect. And what tends to happen is when we hear a theory, when we hear somebody giving advice, and obviously there's tons of advice that can be given online through YouTube and through Facebook and these other social media platforms. And a lot of times these are concepts and ideas that have been repeated over and over and over again until people just believe them to be facts and they really don't think for themselves. So what I want to challenge you to do is to begin to, number one, think for yourself. Don't believe everything that you hear out there on the internet. And I think you already know this, but a lot of times when we hear certain things, even from our friends and our families, those one-liners, those common sayings, we believe them to be true without ever really questioning them. So back to talking about getting cheap leads, right? Getting cheap leads are great, but at the end of the day, it's not how much you're paying per lead, it's how much you're paying for a buyer. I had another call with one of my business partners a couple of weeks ago. He's paying $8 per lead, and he's making huge profits in his affiliate marketing business because he's spending $8 per lead, but he's making a few $100s on the back end as a result of those leads. Versus one of my other business partners, he's doing a lot of Instagram marketing and he's getting like 100 to 200 leads a day and he's getting like no sales. So what does that tell you? Is it all about getting free or even cheap leads? No, it's not whatsoever. It's not even about messenger bots. It's not even about capture pages and sales pages. It's about one thing. It's about connecting with your audience. It's about understanding who it is that you're speaking to and what their pains are and having an offer that aligns with those specific pains. And so it doesn't really matter the amount that you spend on a lead. It's all about targeting the right person and what money is made on the back end. So if you're spending 50 cents a lead, but you're making $10 on the back end, still making profit, right? But if you're spending $10 for a lead and you're making $100 on the back end, which one would you rather prefer? So with that said, start thinking about what you're hearing here in the marketplace. There's a lot of bull crap going around. And so I want you to begin to think for yourself, test things out for yourself, and don't believe everything everybody says, including myself. With that said, I hope you got value from this video. And if you are somebody that's struggling to start or grow your affiliate marketing business, I invite you to check out my Affiliate Mastery program. It's actually an 8-week program, and I take you step by step and click by click on exactly what to do to replicate my success. Up to this point, I've built over a 7-figure affiliate marketing business. So you're basically taking the carbon copy of what I've done in my business and deploying it inside your own business. So we'll meet every single week. This isn't another product that you're gonna go through that's gonna collect digital dust. This is actionable stuff where you get to work with me hands-on, one-on-one on a weekly basis. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead, check out the link around this video. It should be right here or right here. Heck, there might even be a link above or below this video. Go ahead and click that, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and comment if you have any questions. Take care, bye-bye now.